Someone left me a comment. Mommy and Cups commented, please do currency. I'm gonna try. I never assigned the currency assignment, but I should probably assign it to myself so that I can try it. I've been grading calculus exams all day, and not calculus, pre-calc exams all day, and I'm just tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do some Excel homework for fun. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and create that currency homework. I think I've seen it before, so how should I find it? Isn't it like chapter 2 or something like that? I think so. I think I found it. Let me add it and see. It says chapter 2 on currency. So if I'm not doing the right thing, do leave me another comment. I can try to find that one and then do the right one for you. I think all the Excel homeworks are still 8 points. I don't teach 154 this semester, and I know you guys got a new textbook, but it used to be 8 points. So I'm just gonna go ahead and assign it to myself, and I'm gonna try to do this. All right, where is it? So currency is assigned to me, so I'm gonna go into my student account, assignments, and open up currency, and let's see if I can get 8 out of 8 on this. I haven't done these Excels in a while. Okay, I'm gonna download this and let's get started. Hopefully it's not a long one. Okay, make it a little bit bigger. Oh goodness, oh, it's not that bad. All right, let's see. So step 1, start Excel. I did that. I downloaded the workbook. Step number 2, in B2, use the ratio of euros to dollars to convert the amount from cell B9 to euro. Oh my goodness, I remember doing this. So Mommy and Cups, I may just send you that link. Hold on a second. Let me Google search. I'm gonna post this silly video though, so that you can hear me, but probably, okay, hold on. Currency. Back in the days when I wasn't really recording myself doing homework, I created Google Slides for all my students. So these are step by step. Excel homework, and I did assign it one semester, 2.3. I just don't think I assigned it to my 6 weeks course. But I think this is it. You guys will see euro, dollars, and yens. And what I did was I actually explained it. Everybody knows cross multiplying. So what I did was I set up some cross multiplying, and then we solved for B, came up with the formula. But on this Google slide, I took screenshots of what I typed in each of these cells. Like for example, in B12, I typed in euros, equal sign B6 times B9 divided by C6. So maybe this will be helpful because I know you're doing your homework. If you go through these slides, you may be able to do it. I think so. I think you'll be able to do it. Go through this Google slide for me. Let me go ahead and link this. Add a link to this to you. Maybe I do that right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just copy a link, and then I go to my YouTube channel and to Mommy and Cups. Check this out. I've never met you. I don't know who you are, but I hope you're having a great semester, Mommy and Cups. Is that your baby? Oh. Okay. So I'll go ahead and post this video so that you know what I'm talking about. But if you, I don't know if because my baby, I have a 3-month-old too. My baby may wake up anytime. So anyway, since I had that Google slide, and maybe this slide too, because what I did was I did like steps so and so, and then said, students, you try it now. And then I hit this part of the Google slide. But I think I copied and pasted it. So hopefully that Google slide helped. But I'm going to go ahead and just stop this recording because I don't think I'm actually going to do that homework because since I already kind of did it on the Google slide and took screenshots. Alrighty, have a wonderful day.